The FS700 is the most powerful camera the TSW provides. Its interchangeable E-mount allows it to use the lenses available in the separate lens kit. Unlike the 7D though, the FS700 requires a Metabones lens adapter in order to attach the lenses. The camera takes only one SD card at a time. The camera also has manual and automatic zoom, iris, and focus, as well as a manual only ND filter. The FS700 is capable of recording at a 1920 by 1080 resolution at 60p and records in the MPEG-4 format. The camera is also capable of slow motion and is able to record 10 times normal speed in full HD and up to 40 times normal speed in lower resolutions. The audio of the FS700 is similar to that of the PMW. The difference is that the FS700 records in stereo rather than 4 channels. The FS700 comes in a multi-piece kit bag. The camera is in the main compartment with the viewfinder, white balance card, and lens cap. The left Velcro side houses the batteries, charger, power adapter, 1/8 of an inch to receiver wire, USB cable, and RCA cables. The right zipper side includes lens caps, the slate, a marker, lens cleaner, remote and wireless transmitter, mic plug-in, and receiver. If you would like to learn more, contact the TSW or check out our YouTube channel for more information.